how you can automate all of that with the new age tools, new age marketing solutions, the new age systems and tools which are available to help you simplify your life as a business owner and do the necessary automation so you can offload most of your stuff and focus on your growth, on your self growth, on the expansion of your business. Something that you do best, which cannot be replicated by any system, which cannot be done by any of your team members. Something that you only can do. You can focus all your time and energy there. Focus on networking, focus on building relationship, focus on futuristic stuff. What's happening in the world which you can apply in your business, because time is limited for everyone. Even Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg, with all the money they have, they cannot buy any additional time. Can anybody in this money with can anyone in this world with all the money they have buy more than 24 hours in a day? Right? No. Right? People you can have thousands of employees, and that's how you can buy 24 hours in a day, right? But you yourself, with all the money you have, no, everybody has that limited time. So if you have limited time, it's a choice you need to make, that you want to be involved in the business firefighting day-to-day issues, routine issues which you have been doing for years, or you want to create a mechanism, automation, delegation, which can be taken care by someone else, and you can focus on your own growth and the growth of your business, right? So it is very important aspect, provided you want to build a legacy business. If you are just looking for a means of livelihood, probably you should be happy with the way you're doing things. Okay. But if you are here listening to this session, probably something within you feels that you are cut out for bigger things in life. You want more from life, right? If you want that, then probably the approach is to delegate. The approach is to focus on what really matters to you now. Right? That said,